All right, this is to help with 8.5 day 2, number 6. The goal is to add these two together. But before we're able to do that, we need a common denominator, which is kind of hard to figure out just looking at this one. So the trick is factor. So the right-hand denominator is pretty much as factored as it can get. But the one on the left, we can break. It's a trinomial, so we can put x and x to make the x squared, and then multiply to 4 and add to 4. Just use two positive 2's. Okay, so we factored out this denominator. Now we can see that to make them match, we would just need a second x plus 2 over in this other fraction. All right, so doing that would give us common denominators. So they both would be x plus 2 times x plus 2. Sorry, it just takes me a minute to write this here. And the idea is once the denominators are the same, then you can add the numerators. Okay, so our answer will stay with that denominator of x plus 2 times x plus 2. All right, and then the numerators, this one hasn't changed because we didn't multiply the top and bottom by anything here. And then this one, we just have to distribute this 2 here, so it'd be 2x plus 4. Okay, and now we can add x, and 2x is 3x. 2 plus 4 is 6. All right, and then this is a pretty good answer, but we should always check to see if it simplifies. All right, so on this one, this numerator looks like there's a GCF of 3. So if we pull out a 3, that would leave us with 3 times x plus 2. And then our denominator would be x plus 2 times x plus 2. And so now we have one set of x plus 2's that match. So boom, we can cancel those out, leaving us with just 3 on the top and x plus 2 in the denominator. Okay, and looking back on this question in hindsight, actually, now that I look at it, it might have been even easier once I got here and factored the denominator. I could have canceled these out right away, and then I would have never had to. Actually, let me go back one more step. Actually, I could have canceled out way back here and made this a 1, and then I would have never had to do this part up here. I could have just said, well, now they have x plus 2 denominators, so now I can just do 1 plus 2 is 3, and then keep the denominator of x plus 2. So if I had canceled these out right away, then I would have had the denominators matching with x plus 2. That would have been a lot easier route. All right, anyways, that's a long explanation, but hopefully it makes sense.